going to the zoo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Today we are at the Toronto Zoo for March break, and normally most people think of the zoo as like a place to go during the summer, especially here in Canada, but we are going to show you what we do on our March breaks when it's a little bit colder out, when we still want to go visit the zoo. So during the summer, typically we like to stick to the outdoor paths and see the animals that are outside in their habitats. But during the winter months and March break especially, we go and visit all of the pavilions where all the animals are indoors. That way, because we're members, we can kind of see different things at different times, and we get to see a little bit of the zoo that's different every time we come. So we're gonna see all the pavilions today, and we're gonna go look for tigers too, because they're new here at the zoo.
A tiger! Are you saying tiger? A tigre. Alexie, veux-tu voir les tigres?
Yeah.
You want to see the tigers?
Yeah.
These are the Amur tigers, Alexie.
This one?
Yeah.
This one?
No, this one. They're the big tigers. They used to be called Siberian tigers, but they renamed them to Amur tigers.
Look at the paw prints, Alexie.
See, he's in his cave over there. I can see his tail.
Alright, let's go over there. What'd you say, Zoe?
What's that?
Tiger.
Tiger.
A tig.
I'm wearing a sweater, a coat.
Look at that, Alexie, it's huge. This tiger is bigger than the other tigers, eh?
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Made a big noise. Suite et place, Alexie.
That's his sister, yeah. And she's gone. They're probably gonna play outside.
Zoe, she's coming for you.
We're going inside the Eurasia Pavilion, and we're gonna look for Komodo dragons.
That's the biggest lizard in the world. What do you want to see?
I like to see the biggest lizard in the world.
No, it's a type of pigeon. Look, Alexie.
It looks like a peacock. It looks like a chicken too.
It walks like a chicken, eh?
We call it a Komodo dragon. It's a model. You can see all the really sharp teeth. And if it breaks a tooth, it has extra teeth inside to take the place of the broken tooth. Just like sharks, they have the same system. Yeah. Pretty fun, huh?
You do?
Here, I'll move out of the way. There you go.
Zoe, what are you looking at?
There's one in here trying to eat me.
Just crawling on each other, eh?
Alexie, are these the biggest lizards in the world?
Yeah.
Nope.
No, they're not.
No.
Not the biggest lizards.
No. Let's go see and take a picture of it.
I see the big one.
Where is it?
Yes.
But it's not big.
Oh, that's a big lizard, Alexie.
That's not dying.
Alexie, it is a big lizard. That's the biggest lizard in the world.
That lizard can eat you in like 4 bites. He's a big lizard.
Alexie, are you hungry for a snack?
Yeah.
Guess what? That Komodo dragon, he can eat everything from like a goat to things like a deer, a water buffalo, or even a horse. That's a big thing for that lizard to eat, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alexie,
Yeah.
were you disappointed with that Komodo dragon?
Because I thought it's gonna be bigger.
Alexie, how big did you think it was going to be?
It's gonna be huge.
Did you think it was going to have wings?
Yeah.
Did you think it was going to be breathing fire?
Yeah.
But it didn't, eh?
No. Look, I see him.
bird.
It's bird. Have you eaten it?
Here it comes, here it comes. Look, look, look.
Look, he's getting the fish. See him? Look under there.
Oh, there's the mummy and the baby.
There's a baby
there.
with a
Charlie.
baby.
There's Charlie. Charlie's on the back.
Look at the
That's a cute.
on the back, yeah. A goodie. See Charlie, yeah, baby Charlie.
That's a zip line if they suck up down net.
Okay, so they can play up in the net, and then if they're stuck, they can take the zip line
You
down.
see the baby?
And that's to your side.
Do you see the baby?
Baby.
Oh, here he goes again.
See it?
Alexie, what are you looking for?
Looking for the baby hippo and mommy.
The baby.
Down the ramp. Come on.
Alexie, what do you see there?
Baby hippo.
A baby hippo.
That's your pool.
Yeah, that's so cool.
So her birthday's coming up this summer. She'll be 1 year old.
What's the mommy's name?
I'm not sure what the mummy's name is, but the little baby's name is Penelope.
You were so happy you wanted to see a pig, and we didn't think you were going to see a pig today. There you go.
Oh, it's a mummy and 2 babies.
Oh, that's so cute. Yeah, they're playing with their mommy.
Look at them playing. They're chasing each other. Oh, it's like you and Zoe.
Qu'est-ce qu'on vient de voir?
Castle.
Des cochons?
Castle.
Lunchtime.
Time.
Do they have long necks or short necks?
You be on it.
A little bit long, eh? What do you see?
Two of them eat.
A giraffe?
Bite.
He's having a bite. Yes, he's eating.
They're eating.
I think down your mind down to die. But I think they don't have a baby. I think their baby's not born yet.
Their baby's not born yet? No, they're still teenagers. Look at them eating that big Christmas tree.
Where's this big chicken?
Do you see it in the back? They have a Christmas tree hanging. That's what she's eating. That green stuff is a Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Alexie, would you eat a Christmas tree?
No, it's not a tea.
Alexie, how do we say comment dit-on giraffe en français?
Yeah.
Un girafe, yeah, c'est ça.
Yeah. I speak a little bit of English.
You speak a little bit of English, a little bit of French,
Yeah.
A little bit of franglais.
a little bit of both. This spot where you're standing right now is very special. Do you know why?
Wow.
Because this spot right here
Yeah.
at the orangutan exhibit,
Yeah.
this is where you took your first steps.
Yeah.
First time you ever walked, you were sitting here walking with an orangutan.
They took 2 steps.
Yeah, you took your first steps right here.
Alexie, good to see.
Alexie, regarde, il va bouger.
Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on, Alexie.
C'est un sapin.
Mama.
A snake.
Hi.
Hi guys. Did you hear Zoe? Hi guys.
Guys, just wait your turn.
Rhinoceros, eh? The mama. There's a mommy and a baby rhinoceros.
There's the mama.
That's the mummy rhinoceros. Where's the baby? That's the mama. Where's the baby? Where's the baby?
Do you want behind the wall over on the other side?
Alexie, are they big?
Yeah, they're big and huge.
They're huge. There's the baby. Yeah, it's baby and a mama. Rhinoceros, eh? Alexie, comment dit-on rhinoceros en français?
Rhinoceros.
What was your favorite animal today?
Or the piggy.
You like the piggies? Dad, what did you like?
I like seeing those big tigers, the Amur tigers.
More?
Yeah.
Zoe, what was your favorite animal today?
Rhino?
Rhino?
Oh yeah.
Okay, rhino.
You have fun at the zoo. Bye-bye.
Didn't even make it out of the parking lot. Didn't even get the car started.
If you like what you saw, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to get notifications when we upload our latest videos.
Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to leave us a comment. We'll see you next week for more activities, adventures, and lifelong learning.
Bye!